Olympus just sent me the 12 to 200 f3.5 6.3 zoom. So we are going to unbox it now and compare it to the 14-150. Okay. Wow, the lens is pretty light. Okay, now we have 24 to 200 to 400 mm if compared relative to a full frame sensor. Not really that much bigger than the 14-150, but you have more range. So let's put it on the camera. Feels very nice on the EM1 Mark II. Size is just about right. Okay, let's see the aperture now. At 12 mm it's 3.5, 4.5 by the time you reach 25 mm, and you reach 5.6 around 45 mm. You reach 6.3 at around 112 mm. So beyond 112 mm, your aperture will be at 6.3. Very smooth zoom. Okay, and once you put on the lens hood, it looks like this. Okay, that's pretty good.